Well, it's an exciting morning here in Southern California because I received a call last night that my 2018 Goldwing had arrived. So I told them not to uncrate it, and I was going to head there this morning, which I'm doing right now, and they're going to set it up, and I'm going to be riding that home tonight. There was so much buzz and anticipation about this new bike that I was so excited to go pick this thing up, I felt like a little kid. At first I wanted to get the bike in red, but I decided to get the blue because it was different, and my 2012 is already red. And I'm glad because I really like the blue. It's beautiful and the metallic pops in the sun. As soon as I sat on the bike, it just felt right, and much different than my 2012. My first impression just getting on this bike is how light this bike is. I mean, it feels like it's a feather, and I know it's not a feather, but compared to my 2012, it's light. You can just feel it. It's amazing. I'm really looking forward to seeing the accessories that are going to be coming out for this new motorcycle, and I think that's going to be happening very rapidly with the popularity of this new bike. Before I left with it, I made sure I had them put a driver backrest on it too, because I always like that for back support when I'm riding. One of the things that had to be added to the bike after it came out of the crate was the electric windshield. And it was definitely a happy thing to see that get put on that motorcycle. I've always wanted an electric windshield on my Goldwing. When I turned on the dash and all the electronics popped up, I knew I was going to have fun studying the owner's manual, figuring out how everything worked. Everything was checked on the motorcycle, everything from the battery to the oil, all the fluids, the fuel, from one end of the bike to the other. I thought it was kind of neat that the technician saved the last piece for me to install on the bike as kind of a ceremonial award. So I snapped that black piece under the trunk and then rode off with my bike. Okay, this is the big moment. I just suited up and I'm ready to take my new Goldwing back home, and I'm really excited about this new DCT bike. So stay tuned, we're going to have some great feedback and video. Here we go. I hear the engine. Okay, gotta go riding.